Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru channel. Today I'll show you how to disable Google Authentication for standard Subaccount. Be sure towards the end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. To disable the Google Authenticator, bind on the Subaccount. You need to open the Subaccount, open the ByBit tab, and log in your account. To disable the Google Authenticator bind on the Subaccount, you need to open the Subaccount tab by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap Subaccount. Tap on More button of the relevant Subaccount. Open the settings. And if you connect authentication for your account ByBit, you'll see Account Security button. In my case, I don't connect my account for Authenticator. Then, in the Google two-factor verification section, tap on Unlink and enter the Google Authenticator code of your main account. Then, two-factor verification will be disabled on your Sub account. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.